Hi everyone, it's me Munira, and our today's topic of the day is actually a cult favorite. I get this question all the time. It is how to increase the concentration span of our babies. Guys, before I give you the tips and tricks, first thing, our babies under the age group of 6 can have a concentration span anywhere between 10 seconds to 10 to 15 minutes. Now that we know this, let's start with a few tips and tricks. The first most common tip, very effective though, when you're sitting with your kids to do certain activities, don't give them one activity for a very long time. Split your activities into tiny timed activities. For example, say you want your baby to do worksheets. Don't sit with the worksheets for 15 minutes. It's not the most effective way. Do 2 minutes worksheets, 2 minutes a music activity, 2 minutes a puzzle, 2 minutes a logic activity, so on and so forth. So instead of giving 15 minutes on worksheets and your child being distracted, here your 15 minutes are used very, very constructively because you'll see that your child is focusing so much better. The second point, a lot of studies have shown time and again that if you want to increase your child's concentration ability, give them soothing activities. Activities like sweeping the floor, brooming, cleaning the cupboard, peeling off peas, chopping vegetables. Very, very effective. It calms the kid down and increases their focus. Next point. Now, limit the use of the toys. I know we all have a lot of toys and you must rotate them. However, when you sit to play with these toys at one go, don't give your kids 10 toys to play with. It really distracts them. Instead, sit with 2 or 3 toys so that the child is playing better with them, is able to explore them better, and can play with those same toys in creative ways. We would love if you gave your kids open-ended toys more so. Something like a construction kit or blocks or magnetiles, so on and so forth. Fourth point. In this part, it's very important, like most of these questions I get from parents with toddlers. Toddlers go through a phase which is called as trajectory schema, which is when they want to throw and break everything. It's very normal. Don't worry, guys. So what you can do for that, you can lay your toys down lower rather than placing them high. Place them lower, sit with them to play those activities. Play a soothing music in the background. It will calm them down, help them focus better. Yes? And my last and final point. Always work during the alert hours of your child's schedule. A lot of times people will tell me that, Miss Munira, my child's just not interested, or he'll yawn away, look here and there. Guys, it could be because your baby is tired. And that's why they're not focusing. If you really want to sit down with a few activities that will take all the focus and attention, work during their alert hours. Something like right after they've woken up, right after breakfast, or after nap time, or in the evening, right after playtime when they're very, very excited and pumpy. Try during those hours. You will see that yes, your child is sitting for so much longer, is able to focus on the activities. I hope you find these tricks useful. Until next time.